Hello everybody, let's look at this particular exercise. We are going to draw this particular block in Autocad. So it's a basically straightforward exercise because we are going to draw this part, this front part, the front elevation. Then we're going to press pull it with a distance of 50 and simply like that we'll obtain the drawing. So we'll make sure that our Autocad is up and running. Make sure we're working on the 3D modeling tab. From our view cube, we'll go to home. Then we'll go to left part of this particular block, zoom out a bit, then change the coordinates to view. So we'll zoom out a bit, then we'll begin our drawing from this particular point. So zoom out a bit, then in. So basically we'll pick the polyline command, and we'll begin drawing this particular block. Let's begin it from this particular point. So we're going to draw 30, 30, 30 as we continue. So this is the way we'll do it. First part, making sure our auto is turned on. So the first part we'll do 30, then enter, then downwards again we go with 30 and enter. Towards the right 30, upwards 30 as well. Towards the right 30, downwards. Now after that, so we have this. So afterwards we go down 30 again, then inwards 10. So we'll go 30 again, then this other side a distance of 10, then enter, then now we'll go downwards 40, then outward 40, 10 and 30. So this side 40, towards the right 10, then downwards 30 and enter. So afterwards we'll go towards the left a distance of 50, because the way of this is 90, so a distance of 50, then upwards 40. So this side a distance of 50, enter, then upwards a distance of 40, then enter, then so this 40 has been cutted for, so 50 then 40 upwards, then towards the left a distance of 40 as well, so 40, then we now join it to the top, so join it to the top as such. So basically after having this, we'll go to home, then this is what we are going to press pull. So we'll come to press pull, come to this internal part, then press pull it with a distance of let's just check a distance of 50, then enter. So after having that, we will have just finished. So the other thing we can do, let's say put it to hidden. So the other thing we can do our dimensions. So we'll start off with the top dimensions. So for each dimension, again, we'll make sure that from our annotate tab we make slight changes, so slight modifications to our standard dimension style manager. So the changes, we can put the arrow size to 1, we can put the text size to, let's say, a value of 4. Then the primary units, we're going to put it to 0 decimal places. Then so for that, okay, then we just say okay, then it's close. So for us to dimension well, we'll change the coordinates to face. So this face first, then accept, then we'll come to annotate, pick our linear dimension, then we pick the points that we wish to dimension. So for instance that part, then again we instance this part and this part, such. So that is how we put the dimensions. Let's say from this cone, the dimension from this cone to the bottom, such. Then in case we wish to dimension this other side, again we'll come to home, then we change the face to this side, accept, then we go to now annotate, then dimensions, then we click at the corners, such. So basically that is it. That is how we come up with that particular block or that particular task. I wish to thank you for joining me in this particular tutorial. Until next time, remember to subscribe for more tutorials in AutoCAD. Thank you.